Alright guys, so we are at the point where we want to get that fun cross up here. It doesn't matter which color it is as long as it's a cross. And figure out how to get it to have the middle bits matching. But on this, since it is supposed to be Mickey Mouse's face, it looks really hard to accomplish. And like, I know that this piece here goes with Daisy, so this is probably aligned, and then this is not definitely, this is not definitely, and this is not definitely, because that's Mickey Mouse. So the only thing I can think of is to use that famous algorithm that we talked about, where you just keep going up, left, down, back, down, like that, so that we don't mess up the faces down here until we get something that's decent.
Likey.